now, one of the things I want to talk about is many times people think I have a public speaking problem.
Thanks for this awesome menu.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor, having an amazing time here at the Confident Expert Live Experience. We are on day 2. People are making amazing progress. Some people made so much great confidence progress, connection progress, body language progress. And now, one of the things I want to talk about is many times people think I have a public speaking problem. Many times it's a lot of old mental blockages that have been blocking you off. Maybe you had a failure in your school days and it's still bothering you. So for example, when you go to give a presentation, it blocks you mentally. So the first thing I always want to let you know is if you really want to be a confident speaker, identify your mental blockages. Without that, you can't move forward. It's like an invisible brake, invisible chain that is pulling you back. So if you think that I have nervousness in public speaking only, maybe it's not just nervousness in public speaking, maybe it's fear of failure, maybe it's fear of being judged, maybe in your colleges somebody made fun of you, maybe somebody broke up with you and it's still there in you that I'm not good enough. Once you understand how to identify them and release them and execute into a multiplication format, you're going to be not just an average subject matter expert, you will become the confident expert, and that's it. How many of you feel that you have improved your public speaking by coming to the Confident Speaker Conference?
Yes, I am.
2 more questions. How many of you feel that you have improved your communication, confidence and belief about yourself after coming to the Confident Speaker Conference? Last question. How many of you feel that the moment you get out of the door, your life is going to be better than it was until yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, good, man. Thank you so much for being here. Awesome. Give yourself a round of applause, okay? Woo. That's all I have. Let's go. Have a great... Exactly what we show you. Looking forward to having an amazing time with all the people. Hold on. How many of you feel more people here in just a few minutes? My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.